Namaste. I am Dr. Rajasree, Medical Officer, the Ayurveda Pharmacy Coimbatore Limited, Thrissur, Chembukava. In our family, even in my childhood, going for an allopathic remedy in conditions like fever, cold, etc. was very rare. One of the medicine we usually used in such conditions was CHUKKU KAPPI. From ancient times itself, this is a most popular home remedy for common cold, fever, cough, etc. Today, I wish to share you some traditional homely knowledge about CHUKKU KAPPI. By changing the ingredients, we can use it in different conditions as medicine. It's very good in providing warmth to our body, helps for digestion in rainy seasons. Also, it boosts immunity too. So, in this COVID situation, I think this is a most relevant topic. Normally, our ancestors used to prepare CHUKKU KAPPI in home itself whenever it is required. It's very simple to prepare by just adding jaggery, crushed dry ginger and black pepper with normal black coffee contents. In my home, we usually add some other herbs according to the condition of the patient, like leaves of guava tree, roots of wild variety of tulsi, also normal tulsi or the holy basil in our home. I hope you may also have such childhood experiences with it. Considering the present lifestyle and the lack of availability of herbs in our homes or flats, if instant CHUKKU KAPPI with the same contents and quality will be helpful for us. The AVP, the Ayurveda Pharmacy Coimbatore Limited, had introduced one good product in market without compromising the quality as usual. I will show you how to make CHUKKU KAPPI with this AVP instant CHUKKU KAPPI mix. The ingredients of this mix are dry ginger, jaggery, coriander seeds, black pepper, palm candy, coffee powder, tulsi leaves, tippali, cumin seeds and cardamom. It's very simple to prepare CHUKKU KAPPI with this Hidam CHUKKU KAPPI powder. I have taken 150 ml of water in this vessel and just add 2 teaspoons of this powder into it. Allow it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we can strain it through a strainer. Our CHUKKU KAPPI is ready to drink. This is also called as Panik Kappi, Karupatti Kappi, Kashaya Kappi in different parts of Kerala. Dry ginger, black pepper and long pepper together called as Trikadu and commonly used in Ayurveda to clear excess kapha or mucus from our body, and also it ignites the digestive fire and used for weight reduction too. Cardamom is used as a flavoring agent and it is also good for kapha. Cumin seeds helps to improve digestion and alleviates the bowel problems. Jaggery and palm candy provide sweetness and also jaggery prevents constipation. Tulsi leaves is a known drug from centuries itself for asthma, bronchitis, common cold, flu, etc. So, this CHUKKU KAPPI can be used as a immune boosting health drink in the present COVID situation. Stay safe, stay healthy. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.